Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the solution of an algebraic equation. So the equation is like x by 3 power 6 is equal to 2 power 6. In this equation, we have to find all possible values of x. So in order to solve this equation, very first we will be using the properties of indices on left hand side. In case we have a by b power 6, so it can be written as a power 6 divided by b power 6. Or in general, if we have given as a upon b to the power n, so it can be written as a power n divided by b power n. So after using this property on left hand side, the left hand side becomes x power 6 divided by 3 power 6, and right hand side is 2 power 6. So on multiplying by 3 power 6 on both sides, the equation will become x power 6 is equal to 3 power 6 dot 2 power 6. So further, the equation can be written as x power 6 is equal to 3 dot 2 power 6, and 3 multiplication 2 becomes 6. So it will be like 6 power 6, and on left hand side we have x power 6. So further, this equation can be written as x power 6 minus 6 power 6 equal to 0. Further, this equation can be written as x power 3 whole square minus 6 power 3 whole square equal to 0. So if we consider x cube as a and 6 cube as b, so the left hand side of this equation becomes a cube minus, in fact, a square minus b square, and right hand side there will be 0. So the equation becomes a square minus b square equal to 0. After using the property a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. Further, the equation will be like a minus b times a plus b equal to 0. Further, it can be written as a minus b equal to 0 or a plus b equal to 0. So if we put again the values of a and b in these conditions, so we have the following equations as x cube minus 6 cube equal to 0 and x cube plus 6 cube equal to 0. So further, in this equation on left hand side, if we use the identity of a cube minus b cube, that can be written as a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. And if we consider x as a and 6 as b, so x cube minus 6 cube equal to 0 will be given as x minus 6 times x square plus 6x plus 36 equal to 0. From here, we can conclude x minus 6 equal to 0, which implies that x equal to 6. After taking this factor, the equation will be like x square plus 6x plus 36 equal to 0. So if we here use the quadratic formula, the values of x will be given as x equal to minus 6 plus minus square root of 6 square minus 4 times 36 divided by 2. So further we can written as x equal to minus 6 plus minus, and if we take 36 common from square root, so we will have like minus 6 plus minus 6 times square root of 1 minus 4, that will be square root of minus 3, then divided by 2. Further, if we simplify right hand side, so we will have x equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 times square root of 3 iota. So here we can write square root of minus 3 as square root of 3 multiplication square root of minus 1. So the square root of minus 1 is nothing but iota. So square root of minus 3 can be written as square root of 3 iota. From here we have the values of x as x equal to 6 and minus 3 plus minus 3 square root of 3 iota. Again, After using the second equation, that is x cube plus 6 cube equal to 0, x cube plus 6 cube equal to 0, we will have further three more solutions. So in order to simplify left hand side, we will be using the identity a cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So if we place x in place of a and 6 in place of b, so the equation x cube plus 6 cube equal to 0 becomes x cube plus 6 cube equal to 0, which implies that x plus 6 times x square minus 6x plus 36 equal to 0. From here, we can have x plus 6 equal to 0, which implies that x equal to minus 6. Further, we will have x square minus 6x plus 36 equal to 0. And after using quadratic formula here, the values of x will be like x equal to minus 6. In fact, minus minus 6, it will become 6 plus minus square root of minus 6 square, that is 36 minus 4 times 36 divided by 2. Further, the values of x will be given as x equal to 6 plus minus, if we take 36 common from square root, so we will have like 6 plus minus 6 times square root of minus 3 divided by 2. After simplifying, we will have x equal to 3 plus minus 3 square root of 3 iota. So from here, we will have two more values of x. So after solving this equation, the values of x are x equal to 6 minus 6, 3 plus 3 square root of 3 iota, 3 minus 3 square root of 3 iota, then minus 3 plus 3 square root of 3 iota, and finally minus 3 square root of 3 iota. So here are the possible solutions of the given equation.